Now, quickly moving on, we have Mr. Hitesh Bhardwaj, Vice President, Head of Sales and Pre-Sales at Cloud4C. A brief introduction of Hitesh. Hitesh is a technology strategist with over 17 years of experience in various technical roles across Singapore, India, and China. Hitesh is a certified enterprise architect with a strong passion and knowledge about enterprise technology transformations. Hitesh's keynote speech is themed as cybersecurity and cloud security. To be precise, is no longer an option, and it's a matter of survival. Welcome, and over to you, Hitesh.
Thank you so much, Bridget. Appreciate that. I'll take over the screen. Thank you. Greetings, everyone. If you are here, you already know that cybersecurity has steadily over the years and suddenly over the last 1 year has become #1 mandate. However, just to set the context, let me share some of the ransomware stats. So the attacks for ransomware has grown up by 350%, and that too since 2019. Approximately every 14 seconds, there is a ransomware attack happening. 1.5 million new phishing websites are being created every month, and 90% firms experience a phishing attack in 2020 alone. So that gives you a magnitude and the scale of how the risks are increasing. So how does it relate to just the cloud? Well, the cloud in all forms, as we are witnessing, be it private, public, hybrid, is playing an amazing role in transformations for the customers, and that is happening across all the industries and sectors. Cloud4C has been helping 4,000 plus enterprise globally, from BFSI, telecom, government, retail, manufacturing, healthcare, and logistics, for example. Cloud provides rapid access to the modern technology that simply allows innovative transformations. As a build team, you are able to launch an equivalent of the entire data center with the power of a single command. I mean, that power gives huge amplification to the teams around the world. Cloud platforms are bringing amazing, great tools to enhance the overall security. Then why this remains a top challenge for all the CXOs across the cloud adoption? So thinking about what changes from on-premise to a cloud or hybrid world of security, one of the lessons from the ground is the tools alone does not help. There has to be a mix match of the right processes and the skills. More tools alone is going to deliver the outcome, which is a better security. So it has to be combined with the right skills. As per a recent study, 65 to 70% of all the security incident in the cloud start with a misconfiguration. Now, if we analyze the major breaches, service misconfigurations remain a single major factor behind so many breaches. A single configuration error, for example, a single permission issue, an ACL, a rogue container, a rogue VM, can lead to a data breach. Again, why security skills is a major issue with cloud security and not as prominent as for the on-prem security? Well, overwhelming technology choices and fast-moving teams. So when we talk about fast-moving teams, is it the customer's DevOps team? Well, not alone. Yes, the DevOps with a consistent pressure to release the features, changes the way the change management happens, and in a fast-paced environment. This combined with what is happening with the cloud ecosystem. In 2020, the combined 4 top cloud providers added about 5,000 features. If you combine that with the progress of the migrations, the cloud adoptions, this makes this a very fast-moving world. Then how do you stay up to with the security changes? So goal of the security remains simple, which is ensuring what has been built has to work in the intended way and only the intended way. And in traditional on-premise environment, the standard approach is a strong perimeter defense with a deep visibility and enterprise tools, which does not work in the cloud due to the pace of changes, which we discussed. So this requires that security is treated as another aspect of the overall cloud lifecycle. There is a global cybersecurity shortage of a overall manpower gap of 3.1 million. And how do you deal with if you are adopting a cloud journey, which means the business wants a fast-paced transformation, the security often becomes a blocker. A trusted cloud services partner like Cloud4C can brings a lot of positive and difference, which will help you to unblock this so that you can support your business with the digital transformation. So who Cloud4C is? We are a global company, one of the top cloud MSP or managed services partner, focusing on application-focused managed services model. We are present in 26 countries, headquartered in Singapore with a partnership with all leading cloud providers, including Azure, AWS, GCP, Oracle. We also have our secure private and hybrid cloud offering present in 50 plus locations globally. At Cloud4C, we have been helping customers with our multi-cloud and hybrid cloud capabilities, backed by our strong security focus. With services such as managed cloud security and compliance as a service are some of the examples of outcome-driven engagement that we do with our customers, where we commit an assurance to use all the technologies, tools, and process to deliver the experience of a better security posture to our customers as an SLA. With our managed cybersecurity, the organizations can leverage the skills of our experienced security analysts. We can minimize the data breach for our customers. To just put some credibility in perspective, Cloud4C is listed as a visionary in Gartner Magic Quadrant for the managed cloud services provider, as you can see on the screen. In our partnership with the cloud ecosystem, we have 8+ advanced specialization with Microsoft Azure. We're advanced consulting partner with Amazon. We are a leading partner for Google Cloud and many other credentials as displayed on the screen. We've been helping, as I mentioned, 4,000+ customers with their security and digital transformation need. Any cloud initiatives such as application modernization, data modernization, or infrastructure modernization should be empowered with the security modernization in parallel to the digital transformation initiatives. Security cannot be just looked at as an isolated subject. It has to be integrated with how you're running your operations, be it powered by AIOps, where the tool chain, your CI/CDs, your cloud ecosystem has to resonate of how a day in, day out job of a security analyst is happening. You need to tap into not just one tool, but many of the tools out there to empower your security. For example, at Cloud4C, we have more than 40+ industry-leading tools that we use to deliver our managed security operations to our customers. As you can see on the screen, we have multiple tiers of services depending on the need of the customer, or looking at their existing investment so that they can get, they can use the existing tools, but at the same time, we can help them to deliver an SLA-backed security. And this can be delivered across any cloud platforms, including our hybrid cloud offering. A managed and detect response, which is a completely SLA-backed managed services from Cloud4C, help customer to assure their security services will be taken care by Cloud4C so that they can focus on their digital transformation. Moving on, a compliance is often a most discussed topic in a digital transformation, particularly for certain industries and segments like BFSI. So Cloud4C has been delivering our customers compliance as a service. What does it mean? That means we will underwrite the risk associated. We will engage our consultant to understand the needs, the gaps that you would have to make sure your regulatory compliance are satisfied during your cloud transformation journey. And this is all delivered as a service. Our in-house security expert, industry experts, and technology expert comes together to form a virtual team, which will make sure your compliance is not just satisfied during the audit, but as an ongoing service. We've done it across the globe for multiple regulatory and security compliances. last but not least, feel free to reach out to us. If you're in doubt, if you're taking a digital transformation journey, we assist our customers of with a security maturity assessment, of mapping a roadmap of how and your cloud journey can be empowered. At the same time, if you have made any decision on any of the SIEM or any of the technology tool, how this can be a part of the overall visibility or the landscape that you are looking for from the security standpoint. Thank you so much for your time today. Thank you. Bridget, over to you.
Thanks, Hitesh, for the informative keynote speech on security. We value your presence and association with us, and enjoy the rest of the day.
Thank you.
Dear participants, Cloud4C is our prestigious platinum sponsor. Definitely visit their booth and explore what they can do for your businesses.